Friends, this is lesson number 8 in plans and sections. This I will explain you in both Hindi and English in between. This is a lesson having less number of slides, but you will get more number of questions in this because examiners can give you very troubling type of questions from this topic. Please listen carefully. Even in the exam, I think I have given a few of numericals. Please enjoy the lesson. Now, what do you mean by the difference between plan and section? आपके घर के प्लान है, घर का कुछ प्लान वान लगाए होंगे. आपका घर का मैप बोलेंगे या प्लान बोलेंगे? What do you call your house plan or house map? You call it a house plan, building plan. You cannot call it a building map. The plan means generally by understanding. It is a small one, एक छोटा drawing है जिसमें you will have a room. Maybe it will show you about rooms, or it will show where the bathroom is, or it will show where the park is. It's a very small. Like it may cover an area of 100 meters by 100 meters or 50 meters by 50 meters. It is called as plan. A map जहाँ की बहुत बड़ा जगह को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. The map of Chhattisgarh, map of Madhya Pradesh, map of Andhra Pradesh, map of Bihar. You will not call plan of Madhya Pradesh. Plan is generally used for a small detailed area, and map is overall on large. Now, the second point what I am explaining you, there is always a confusion. There are, let us say, two scales. Now, for that I will just use this a little, like I will put 1:200 and another 1:20,000. Okay, neither 2 lakhs. Okay, this I will put. Now, between 1:200 and 1:2 lakhs, which is small scale and which is big scale? हो सकता है आपके माइंड में आ जाएगा कौन सा स्मॉल स्केल है कौन सा बिग स्केल है. साहब इतने जोर जोर से चिल्ला के पूछ रहे, तो हो सकता है आप बोलेंगे 1:2 lakhs इज स्मॉल स्केल, 1:200 इज बिग स्केल. यू आर राइट. कैसा पहचानना? जिस मैप में ऑब्जेक्ट्स बड़े दिखते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज बिग स्केल. लाइक हो सकता है आप समझिए आप बहुत अच्छा काम कुछ किए, आपके बड़ा कटआउट लगा देता. आजकल कटआउट्स के बहुत जमाना चल रहा है. दे विल पुट ए बिग कटआउट ऑफ योर्स, लाइफ साइज और डबल ट्रिपल द लाइफ साइज. दैट इज इन अ लार्ज पिक्चर. इट्स अ वेरी लार्ज. You cannot put such a cutout size picture in your application. No? When you send for a job or something, you will put a small one, very small. That is a large scale. Means, please remember, if the scale is large, more area is covered, like 1:20 lakhs. It is known as a small scale map. If scale is small, more area is shown. If scale is large, less area is shown. Abhi, this is 200 is less and 2 lakhs is more. Okay? ये 200 तो छोटा फिगर है और 2 लाख तो बड़ा फिगर है. आप इतना माइंड में याद रखिए, जिसमें स्मॉल फिगर है, वो स्मॉल एरिया को जनरली यूजफुल है. But it is called as a large scale because you will show the objects larger. Now, if I give you 2 lakh scale, in this the figure is large. Means area is large but objects are small. Here area is small, objects are large. Again I am repeating, here area is large and objects are small. Either area is large, 2 lakhs is large. Either area is small but objects are large. Now, if I show your mining plan, say your mine you are working in some cement company or somewhere, on 1:2 lakh scale, can you really read it? Can you show where is your office in that? वो तो इतना दिखता है. Where you will show your office, your bathroom, your benches, all that. So, but one thing you can show in that, which is the nearest village, where is the river in that. It means if this figure is more, it covers more details. If this figure is less, it covers less details. I am repeating again. 1:200 small figure means small details. Big figure means big details. Means more details. Small figure means less details. Big figure means more details. More details किस में रहेगा? बहुत बड़ा मैप में रहेगा. हिंदुस्तान की मैप में can I show you your mind? At the same time, can you draw in the large scale in 1:200 India map? You cannot. So this is the difference. Contours and properties. This is important. Why? This is all interlinked. Contours आप जानते हैं that what you see, you will find the lines of equal this one. I am sorry, I have to keep one drawing. Next time I will keep one drawing in this. Contours तो आप देखे होंगे. Contours are the lines joining the points of equal elevation. आप एक पहाड़ लीजिए. पहाड़ में ग्राउंड 0 समझिए. सबसे टॉप में आप 100 समझिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज ओनली एग्जाम्पल. Imagine the ground level as 0 and hilltop as 100. While you climb from 0 to 100, जब आप climb करेंगे, you will have to cross 50 level, 51, 52, 53, 100. Now, if you can point from every direction 50, 50, 50, 50 everywhere around the hill and draw a line, that is known as the contour of 50. What is contour interval and spacing? Contour interval and spacing is something what you decide. Like 10 meters, 20 meters, 5 meters means to understand about the plan or map. In both plan and map you can give contours. That interval is fixed, like 5 meter contour, 10 meter contour, 20 meter contour. All these contour intervals are fixed there depending on the size of the map or size of the plan or the details you want. What do you mean by contour gradient? Please remember one thing. While explaining you about the contour calculations, one of the lessons in numerics will be that for us, for winning and working. Even you people can see legislation. If you can measure, let us say there is 1:200 scale, means 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meters. That is how to calculate. Next one table is coming in this slide only. Next slide. In that 20 meters or 100 meters, how many contours are there and what is the gradient? I can explain you better if there is a contour drawing which I failed to give here. I didn't get a correct contour drawing. I will give you in the next lesson. There is a part 2 for this. Part 2 of this lesson is there, in which you need to calculate shrinkage scales. If the scale shrinks, what to do, all that. In that I will provide you a contour map and explain you how to calculate the distance and gradients. In contours, you remember smooth and steep grade contours means if between two contours, let us say one contour is 10 and this contour is 20, means 10 minus 20, 20 minus 10 is 10. What does it mean? If you travel from this point to this point, you will be either going up or down by 10 meters vertically. The horizontal distance can be anything. Okay. So, the contour gradient means the steepness between the two contours. Now, let us come to conversion scale. I request you to print this scale and keep with you until you get practice. If I say, let us say 1:100 or 1:200 or 1:250,000, what does it mean? If I measure in millimeters on a map or a plan, it is equal to 50 millimeters on ground. Now let us take one more, 1:1000. If I measure 1 millimeter on the map or plan, वो डिस्टेंस है सही में जमीन पे 1000 millimeters है. If I measure 1 centimeter on map or plan, that is equal to 1000 centimeters on the ground, actual distance. If I measure 1 millimeter on this scale, let us say 1:250,000, it means on a map if it is 1 millimeter, on the ground, actual ground, that is equal to 250,000 millimeters. Now imagine you are measuring in centimeter. What do you mean by 1:5,000? 1 centimeter is equal to 5,000 centimeters on ground. 1 centimeter on plan is equal to 2,000 centimeters on ground. Or if you take this scale, it is equal to 1 centimeter on plan is equal to 50,000 centimeters on ground. This I have simply converted here. This you can go through. It is a simple calculation and division. If you get any doubt, you can call me and ask me. Okay, I will be able to explain you better. Next, how do you determine a scale? आपको आश्चर्य लग रहा होगा, क्या है भाई, स्केल तो उसके ऊपर लिखे रहता है. एक ड्राइंग के ऊपर तो 1:2000, 1:500, 1:400 करके लिखे रहता है. व्हाट इज दिस स्केल डिटर्मिनेशन? कभी कभी वो मिट जाएगा. अदरवाइज, टू ट्रबल यू, आई विल गिव यू वन ड्राइंग और प्लान और मैप and I will tell you, please find the scale. To find out the scale, one essential thing is, ग्राउंड के ऊपर असली डिस्टेंस आपको मालूम होना चाहिए किसी दो चीज के बीच में जो उस प्लान में है. आप समझ जाइए, आपके कॉलोनी है कहीं, कुछ महात्मा गांधी कॉलोनी या नेहरू कॉलोनी जो भी है, वही देशभक्त है, देशभक्त उनका नाम पे जिस कॉलोनी है उसमें आप है. There is a plan of that colony or a map of that colony. You know which is your house, house number 25. And there is one more house, house number 40. Between 25 and 40, or there is a school house and there is a school where your child is studying or your brother is studying. Let us say it is 3 kilometers on ground. You know it on ground. Remember, it is on ground, not on plan. 100% you know 3 kilometers on ground is between your school and that house. Straight distance, not गली गली घूम के 10 किलोमीटर. नो नो नो, नॉट दैट. स्ट्रेट डिस्टेंस. आप मेरे से ये मत पूछे सर कैसा पता लगता गली, वो पता करिए, वो आप तो इंजीनियर है, वो आपका काम है. सो 3 किलोमीटर्स यू नो. नाउ व्हाट यू शुड डू, आपको जिस प्लान दिया गया जिसमें द स्कूल एंड हाउस बोथ आर सेम in the plan, just measure with a scale. Just you take your normal scale, जो बच्चों के पास रहता है ना scale, measure it. Let us say on the plan it measured 25 mm. ओके, एक ऐसा एक मैप है जिसमें आपके घर आप पहचान सकते हैं. यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई योर हाउस एंड यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई योर स्कूल आल्सो. दोनों के बीच में यू फाउंड इट इज 25 mm. ओके, अब स्केल मेजर किया, यू हैव फाउंड. Now 25 mm is equal to 3 kilometers. Because you know it is 3 kilometers, you should know that. Otherwise आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते कि नमस्ते करना नारियल तोड़ के भगवान को. अगर आपको कुछ भी डिस्टेंस दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में मालूम नहीं है, सिर्फ नमस्ते करके छोड़ दीजिए. यू कैनॉट डू एनीथिंग. Then if 25 mm is equal to 3 kilometers, what is 3 kilometers? 3,000 meters. So 1 mm is equal to how much? 3000 by 25, 120 meters. 1 mm is equal to 120 meters. Means 12,000 centimeters. It is equal to 1,20,000 mm. Means 1:1,20,000. That is the scale. Remember, if this is in mm, this should be in mm when you measure here. You cannot simply divide 3,000 by 25 and say it is 1:120. You will put big zero in examination. If this is in mm, this also should be in mm. Hope you have understood the lesson. Next lesson will be on shrunken scales or enlarged maps. बहुत मजा आएगा उसमें. This I am not giving you any questions on this particular topic. जब shrunken scale में आएगा ना, आपको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आएगा. माइंड पूरा खराब हो जाएगा। घर में शांत रख के कमरा बंद करके उसमें बैठ के वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें। बहुत बहुत फनी क्वेश्चंस, अच्छा रहता। Please subscribe to this channel and tell your friends, especially friends working in coal mines and metal mines underground also. We are starting most of the lessons with some contacts what I have got. देखो उमेश शिरपे साहब है, वो साहब मेरे लिए एक लेटर भी भेजे जो मैं पहले देखा हूँ। होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर देर विल बी लॉट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशंस एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू, टेक केयर।